What's up, everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. I'm going to show you guys how to use this product right here, the semi-ceramic from Renegade. We pulled my pickup truck here in the shop so I can show how easy this stuff is to use, how easy it is to apply. What we're going to do is we're going to do the 2-towel system. I got one towel here that I'm going to use as a wet towel. I got another towel in my back pocket that we're going to use as a dry towel. We're going to use the wet towel to apply it, dry towel to take it off. All I'm going to do is simply take this microfiber towel right here, spray a little bit on, get the towel kind of half wet. We don't want to go crazy and get it completely wet, but you want to get it decent. The truck's clean. All we're going to do is just wipe this on. Real nice and even. And we're just going to let it sit and flash a little bit. As soon as it flashes, we're just going to come back with a dry towel and wipe it off. Now you've got a nice sealed up protected surface, and when you feel it, it feels real nice and waxy. Of course, this is a sheeting product, not a beading product, so it's not going to water bead up. The water's just going to sheet right off real nice. Another great thing about it is you can apply it in layers if you wanted to. So if I want to spray this again, it smells great. You can actually just wipe it right back on one more time. Just like a lot of the other topper products, even though it's called semi-ceramic, it can be used over ceramic and non-ceramic vehicles alike. So it doesn't have to be ceramic coated in order to use this. We had a lot of people asking us this question this last weekend, but it does not have to be ceramic coated in order to use this semi-ceramic. So now it's kind of flashed again. Just going to take our dry towel. I'm just going to wipe it off. What we have right now is a nice protected surface. Use it as often as you want. Put as many coats on as you want. Semi-ceramic, new product. Check out my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Evan Stager Metal Polishing for more great how-to videos, how to keep your ride clean, and we also do a lot of metal polishing tutorials on there. Make sure and check those out. Thanks for watching.
No one killer can't be denied. 187 thugs, oh yeah, we got love. Blowing, speaking, green and flow, blue and the bug. Wanna be a baller, shot caller, 20-inch blades on an Impala. Caller, get laid tonight. Switch a roll tight, got spray behind. I hit the highway, making money the flyway, but it's got to be a bed.